Stir-fried eggs with broccoli can also be visually appealing. The way I make it looks great and is perfect for serving guests.
Yes, this stir-fried eggs with broccoli has such a vibrant color combination. The more you look at it, the more appetizing it becomes. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients are just broccoli and eggs for this recipe. Broccoli washed clean and cut into florets. Broccoli is rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Regular consumption may help boost immunity and has potential anti-cancer benefits. You can absolutely eat broccoli raw. It has a crisp and refreshing texture with a mild grassy flavor and slight peppery note. However, the stems can be quite tough, so it's best to cut them into small florets or thin slices for easier eating. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add salt, and beat until well blended. Set aside for later use. Heat the pan and add oil. Stir-fry the eggs briefly until cooked but still tender for a better texture. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, effectively supplementing essential nutrients for the body. The choline in eggs supports brain and nervous system health. Moderate consumption can also increase satiety and help maintain a balanced diet. For healthy adults, it is generally recommended to eat 1 to 2 eggs per day to obtain nutrients without excessive cholesterol. If you have specific health conditions, for example, high blood lipids, adjust the intake according to medical advice. Scramble the eggs in the pan, then remove and set them aside for later use. No need to wash the pan. Add cooking oil and stir-fry the broccoli until cooked. Add salt and mushroom powder according to your taste. Skip the mushroom powder if you don't like it, just adjust to your preference. If the pan is too dry, add a small amount of water and stir-fry with the lid on to speed up the cooking process until the broccoli softens. Cover the pan and let it simmer for a while until the broccoli softens. Adjust the cooking time to achieve your preferred texture, whether you like it tender or crisp. Once the broccoli is cooked, add the scrambled eggs back into the pan. Stir-fry everything together, and then it's ready to serve and enjoy. All done! This recipe is super easy, right? Just plate it however you like, and it's ready to be served beautifully. If you have some seaweed floss or furica at home, you can sprinkle them on top of the eggs for garnish. For non-vegetarian options, shredded chicken works great too. The soft yellow eggs and vibrant green broccoli create a striking yet harmonious color contrast. At first glance, it's like a spring garden on the plate, fresh and inviting. This combination isn't just visually appealing, it truly whets your appetite. Broccoli is actually a product of careful cultivation. It was developed from wild cabbage through selective breeding. The tiny florets on broccoli are actually unopened flower buds. If left too long, they can bloom into yellow flowers. Broccoli contains more vitamin C than oranges, making it a true vitamin C king among vegetables. NASA once included broccoli in astronauts' diets because of its balanced nutrients and long shelf life. Broccoli leaves are edible too. They taste similar to spinach, but are often thrown away unused. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easyrecipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.